In this investigation, we try to understand how people perceive robots that respond incrementally to their behavior in human-robot interaction. Incremental processing means that the analysis of human behavior and the synthesis of the robot's behavior are carried out online and in a piecemeal fashion, leading to higher responsivity. For instance, when a person is looking for something, the robot can direct her while it is happening.
Then we need a napkin. You just need one. Higher. Higher. They are on the top shelf. Higher.
Up here?
Yes, they're in the box. Great. Please take it with you.
Yes.
Alternatively, the robot can simply provide a complete description of where to find the respective object.
Then we need a napkin. You just need one. They are on the top shelf.
Here?
Yes, they're in the box. Great. Please take it with you.
Okay.
Research on incremental processing in human-robot interaction is generally rare. However, previous work suggests unanimously that incremental processing makes interactions more efficient. Much work also suggests positive effects on the subjective evaluations of the robot. For instance, such a robot may be perceived as more polite, more responsive, enjoyable, and human-like. In contrast, other studies also report negative effects such that the robot is perceived as less natural, tiring, and as less likable. Consequently, incrementality seems to contribute objectively to greater efficiency, but the effects on the subjective evaluation of incremental robots is less clear. Our research question thus concerns how people perceive incremental robot behavior in interaction with efficiency and in interaction with other indicators of the effectiveness of dialogue, such as persuasion. That is, our main hypothesis is that the subjective effects are mediated by the perceived effectiveness of the interactions. Our experiment consists of 2 studies in a between-subject design. Study 1 took place in the lab with students and members of the staff as participants. Study 2 took place at the municipality's living lab. In our scenario, a robot guides participants through a large room, indicates to them what objects to collect, and offers to carry them for the participants. This task provides opportunity for incremental feedback when people are trying to find the relevant objects, such as the napkin in the box on the shelf, a candle in the cupboard, and matches in a small container on a shelf. The robot we used is the Turtlebot 2 with a styrofoam top. We used scripted dialogue that included a persuasive utterance which makes use of personalized social proof to get participants to drink more. Our objective measures are how much water people drink and how much time they need to find an object. The subjective measures comprise the Rosas questionnaire and some additional questions on the perceived awareness of the robot. In the incremental condition, the robot modifies its speech incrementally based on the participant's non-verbal conduct, like more to the right, yes, a little bit more, or higher. In the non-incremental condition, the robot provides complete descriptions of where to find the respective object and only repeats its previous utterance in case the participant can't find what they're looking for. Study 1 consists of 51 valid interactions, where about 1/3 of the participants are female. In contrast, the 46 participants in Study 2 are all nurses and caregivers in elderly care facilities, and thus most of them are women. The results of Study 1 confirm a significant effect of incrementality on task time. That is, people were more effective in finding objects in the incremental condition. In addition, the analyses reveal that if participants really needed less time due to the incremental robot behavior, they judged the robot as significantly more aware. In Study 2, we find the same effect for task time, and here all subjective ratings are significantly mediated by how persuasive the robot was, that is, to what extent it was effective in making them drink more water. Our results confirm a significant effect on task time and hence effectiveness, but the perception of incrementality is mediated by whether it contributes to task efficiency or robot persuasiveness. Thank you.